Intercom CRM, my honest review, and user experience, is it worth it? Managing customer relationships efficiently is critical, and Intercom promises a modern CRM solution for businesses of all sizes. I tested it, and here's my honest experience. Most people assume CRMs are rigid or overly complex. The surprising truth is Intercom combines messaging automation and analytics in a highly intuitive interface. You can handle support, sales, and marketing all in one platform. Getting started was easy. I set up chatbots for customer queries, integrated the platform with my website, and segmented contacts. Real-time messaging allows live chat with customers, while automation handles repetitive responses. Analytics provide insights into engagement, response times, and sales performance. Integrations with email, Slack, and other tools make workflow seamless. The platform also supports targeted campaigns based on customer behavior, boosting retention. The downside is pricing. Intercom can be expensive for small businesses. Additionally, mastering all features takes time, but the investment pays off in efficiency and customer satisfaction. In conclusion, Intercom CRM is a powerful, versatile platform for managing customer relationships. Its combination of live chat, automation, and analytics makes it valuable for businesses that prioritize customer engagement.